everybody, this is Dhruv Singh this side. I take up data analytics for tech job solutions. Currently I'm training on Power BI. Just to start up with my career, I have been taking up Power BI for past 7 years. I train for IIT Madras, IIM Indore. I also take up training programs for Upgrad, Intellipath, and I also take training programs for many finance-based companies like Wells Fargo, Deloitte, Accenture, Yes Bank. I have an experience of around 300 plus corporate programs. I have delivered approx 2000 students plus trainings in whole India. Currently, I am training for Tech Job Solutions. Over here, we are aiming to skill up your particular career and help you grow in the field of Power BI. We have one of the most detailed curriculum which can help you grow in your particular data analytics career. The curriculum has been divided up to 60 hours, which is the most in the market right now. We train you on an intensive data analytics program for 60 days and help you grow the best in the particular market. We have people getting placed in best MNCs around India. Okay, so join the journey, be a part of Tech Job Solutions.